All right, intermediate algebra. Next one called roots of decimals and fractions. First of all, do you remember how easy the last one, square roots, was, where you probably got that con done in about a minute? Okay, this one will take you 2 minutes maybe. This one was pretty simple as well. So first of all, let's do a decimal one. Here's our decimal one. And again, we just got to think to ourselves, what times itself equals 0.64? So as we think to ourselves, well, what is it? It's 0.8 times 0.8. Remember, it takes two square roots, which are identical, to make a real number. And so since I've got 2.8s, my answer for this one is just simply 0.8. There it is. Pretty simple. It's not going to take you long on decimals. It's a pretty simple one. Hey, it's not much more difficult. It's nothing really much more on fractions either. Here's all you do on this. First of all, it says the square root of 9 over 100. I want you to think of it differently. I want you to think of it as the square root of 9 over the square root of 100 and put a little division bar between those two, if I could find it. There it is. And then, what times what is 9? 3 times 3. What times what is 100? 10 times 10. 3 times 3, that would equal a real 3, and 10 times 10 would equal a real 10. So it's just simply 3 over 10. It is that simple, guys. Hey, you'll be done with this one in no time whatsoever as well, and we'll see you on Google Hangouts. Bye-bye.